Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with an easy breakfast recipe that is Afghani omelette. For this you need chopped onions, potatoes, capsicums and tomatoes. Heat the pan and add the cooking oil and add the potatoes when the oil is hot. Cover it and now add the tomatoes. Now add capsicums. Saute it. And when it becomes half cooked, you can add the onions. Add salt. Saute it until it becomes soft. Now add eggs. I'm using here 4 eggs. Break it and add it. It's very simple. So now add salt, sprinkle some salt and black pepper. Cover it for a while. And finally it's ready. So it's very easy. Anyone can start up the day with this simple breakfast recipe.